Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Lai and today we're going to learn a very helpful tip to improve your pronunciation in English. So, you've learned how to read and write in English. You understand English words and sentences from listening. And now the next step for you is to speak the language. But speaking isn't easy. It probably is the most difficult part, especially for us Asians, because English pronunciation is way too different from the way we say things in our own language. It isn't as easy as saying the words exactly as they are spelled. In fact, a lot of English words are pronounced in a totally different way than how they are spelled out. Just take the word table, for example. The word table is spelled T-A-B-L-E. But we don't say tablet. We say table. And there are tons of other words. So how can we improve our pronunciation? How can we sound like native speakers? And how can we speak naturally in the English language? Here is one simple and very easy tip that you might just find helpful. Listen, imitate, exaggerate. When practicing to speak English, we should listen carefully. Who do we listen to? Of course, the native speakers. While it's true that there are a lot of English accents, British, American, Australian, etc., the most commonly used is the standard American accent. This is the accent we hear being used in Hollywood films and international news channels. It is very clear and easy to understand, so we're going to use that. So how do we listen, imitate, exaggerate? Let's take this clip from my daughter's favorite cartoon show, Sophia the First, as an example.
What was that?
A mermaid! Where'd she go?
So based from listening and watching the video at the same time, we heard the rabbit say, "What was that?" And Sophia the First said, "A mermaid. Where did she go?" But remember, we should listen, imitate, exaggerate. So after listening, we should not just copy exactly what the speakers said, but we should exaggerate. Imitate means copy. Exaggerate means to overdo something. So whatever the tone of the original speaker is, you should try to exceed it. I know this feels a little bit awkward at first, but trust me, this is very effective. So, taking the dialogue of the rabbit and Sophia, we should say, "What was that? A mermaid! Where did she go?" Notice that sounded so much better than just saying, "What was that? A mermaid. Where did she go?" So when we exaggerate, we put emotions and feelings to the way we say things. There is that rising and falling of your tone. It sounds more natural, and your listener would understand you so much better with that kind of speaking tone. So there you have it. That's our pronunciation tip for today. Hope you guys would try this tip out. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you find this video helpful. You can also suggest any topic that you want us to create a video about. Till our next video, sayonara!